It was a gloomy, rainy evening. Clouds poured, as if unburdening the sky completely.
Under the yellow light of Madhu's shop, two men lamented their village's dark fate.
A village where children's laughter once echoed was now swallowed by a haunting silence.
Every day, young families packed their bags and left the village forever, seeking hope.
Suddenly, Ramesh looked out into the rain.
Hey Raju, look! Ramu Chacha is coming!
Yes, that is Ramu Chacha. Where is he coming from in this heavy storm?
They called out, Chacha, why are you standing in the rain? Please come inside.
Ramu Chacha sat down and asked, "So, what were you discussing without me today?"
Chacha, our village is slowly dying. Soon, no one will remain. Ramu Chacha was shocked.
What happened? I just returned a few days ago.
Ramesh said, "There is no school here. Children have to travel far to study."
We built the school walls, but ran out of money for doors, benches, and roofs.
Ramu Chacha remained silent, then whispered, "I have nothing left after my daughter's wedding."
But I have ancestral land in Raipur. Selling it could save our village's future.
Raju panicked.
But Chacha, that is your family heritage. You cannot sell it.
What use is land if the village dies? It can fix everything.
Next morning, the three left for Raipur, carrying hope in their hearts for the children.
Train moved, evening fell, and outside, a light, cold rain began to fall.
Suddenly, the weather changed. The wind blew as if coming from icy, dead mountains.
Stepping off the train at Raipur, they felt this place was not normal. It felt ominous.
There were no autos outside. Everyone left due to the storm.
The city is far. You must walk straight on this lonely path, the beggar said.
The three walked into the darkness. The path was desolate, filled with whistling wind.
Suddenly, Ramu Chacha stopped dead. That face, it looks like my old friend Hari.
In front of them stood a man in the shadows. Ramu, what are you doing here so late?
Hari smiled strangely. "No autos tonight. Come with me. My house is nearby." On the way, Hari chatted normally, but his voice sounded hollow, like an echo. They reached a dilapidated house. Hari said, "Stay here tonight. Leave in the morning."
With no other choice and heavy rain falling, the three friends agreed to stay. Entering the house, a foul smell hit them, like the scent of rotting flesh.
Hari laughed it off. Must be a dead rat. I live alone here, so I don't notice.
It was late night. Exhausted from the journey, everyone fell asleep on the floor.
Suddenly, Ramu Chacha woke up. He heard the rhythmic sound of digging outside.
He went to the window and froze. Hari was digging the ground with a pickaxe.
It looked exactly like he was digging a grave in the rain. Ramu was terrified.
He woke Ramesh and Raju. The three ran outside, but Hari was gone.
There was just a freshly dug pit. Inside, they saw a metal box full of gold coins.
As they stared at the treasure, a cold voice came from behind.
Ramu.
They turned. Hari stood there, but now he was soaked in fresh blood and wounds.
I died years ago in an accident on this very road, Ramu. The three friends realized the truth. They were standing in front of a ghost.
Hari said, I wanted to give this wealth to the village, but waited for honest men.
Came to sell your land for others. That sacrifice freed my soul tonight. Take this. Build the school. Just promise you will name it after me. I promise.
With tears in their eyes, they made the promise. Hari's spirit dissolved into the wind.
Next morning, they returned to the village, not with land money, but with a legacy. Now, the children would never have to leave again. The village was saved by a ghost.
If you want to hear the next part, subscribe now, because some stories never end.